𝘬𝑚𝑣 is knocking it out of the park with this latest release. I recently reviewed Charlotte. Today I'm here to show you Marsha. I cannot stress how cute and how lightweight this wig is. So if you're into cute, you're into lightweight, you want to know all about Marsha. My name is Denise. I'm also known as Hey Wig Sister on Instagram and Facebook. Name Brand Wigs sent me Marsha so that I could show all of you, and I'm grateful for the opportunity to give you guys a look at these new styles from 𝘬𝑚𝑣. Not all of them, but a few of them. If you haven't seen my review of Charlotte yet, and you like these kind of wavy bob length wigs, Charlotte's just a little bit longer, but she is also darling. I am so impressed with the wigs that 𝘬𝑚𝑣 is launching. If you want to know more about Charlotte, look at her on the website. I'll make sure she's linked below along with a coupon code that will save you money. But I'm going to tell you all about her right now. And I want you to remember name brand wigs next time you're in the market for a wig. Let's take a look at this one from all sides. I cannot get over how lightweight this wig is. So let's start right away with the weight. It weighs said that wrong, 3.03 ounces. That is so lightweight for a wig that has a little bit of length. This is a low density piece. It does not have a ton of hair at all. And I'm not feeling any PERMATEASE on this piece. Lightweight, low density, flat on the top. I'm touching all the way down to cap. I feel not an ounce of PERMATEASE anywhere on this wig. So that means you are going to be able to wear this in the summer. It's going to be relatively cool and so easy for the new wig wearer to wear because it's not going to have extra volume. All wigs will have a little volume if you've been losing your hair and you're new. But this is about as low density and flat to the head as you can get in a synthetic wig. Now before we talk about the cap construction, I want to mention the bang. If you look at the product listing on the website, you will see that this one looks like it has a full bang. It does have a bang template. And if you have a pretty long forehead measurement, this actually might come closer to fitting you. Obviously it's too long for me. I actually made a video showing how to take a thinning razor to trim up bangs. It's one of those, what I consider a must-have skill if you're going to wear wigs with bangs, because you will inevitably come across a bang that's too long for you if you haven't already. And if you don't have hair cutting skills, trying to think about using a straight scissors is really overwhelming, but that thinning razor is the perfect tool to trim up bangs. I use it for a lot of different things, but I'll make sure the video where I show how to trim up bangs is linked. Having skills like this will really, really help you on the wig wearing journey. But you don't have to wear it with a full bang. It sweeps to the side so beautifully. So I would say you can wear it with a bang or you don't have to wear it with a bang. That's just one of the really great things about the flexibility of this style. Now we have a lace front. I'm going to show you that lace front right here. And you can see the knotting just a little bit. If you wear a full bang, you're not gonna have to worry about that. If you don't, and you're sensitive to knotting, you can use a little makeup. You can use a little face powder to really blur those knots. I'll link a video below showing how I do that when you can see visible knots on a wig that I wear if I'm not in the mood for that, let's just put it that way. And then we have a full mono top. You can see it's kind of center parted, but because of the top of this, you can part that you can put the part talk about tripping over your words. You can put the part anywhere you want, so you don't have to wear it as it comes out of the box. There is that monofilament top. And they have this incredibly soft layer over the monofilament. This is like more of a double layer. It's not exactly a double mono. They call it their So Soft cap. And that's a perfect description. This is so soft. The ear tabs with bendable stays, extended nape. We've got bra strap adjusters. The rest is open wefted. Great cap. I've never seen this kind of so soft monofilament. I like it. I really like it. But you can see just so easy. This is really a throw and go wig. Unless of course you want to change the part or you want to trim up the bang. I just think you're going to be able to put this on, comb through it or finger comb through it, and walk out the door. It's really shake and go easy. Let's talk about fit. So Envy is known for running really pretty true to average. I think this wig is running just a little bit smaller than some other Envy wigs I've tried. I don't have it cinched in, and it does feel very, very loose on my head. I actually took the wig grip off because I can't fully assess fit when I have a wig grip on, so I like to take it off. I'm just pulling in the adjusters a little bit because they're out all the way. I just want to tell you guys what that does, because it does feel a little loose around my circumference. Okay, that's so much better. Yeah, I pulled it in a fair amount. It's still a little bit loose. I do think I would wear a wig grip with this one. I don't think even with the adjusters cinched in, I just feel a lot more secure with a wig grip. I'm not getting a ton of extra cap, but this cap has so much stretch. So sometimes when a cap is really big on me, when I do this, I can kind of feel that it's big and I can fold it over. But when I do that, I'm actually feeling the stretch in the cap. Yeah, it's really stretchy. Not that there's a lot of extra cap on top. And I'm not getting the best coverage from the ear tabs. So the ear tabs are falling right here. I actually like them down a little bit further. That gives me better coverage. But the benefit of where the ear tabs fall on this one, and they're actually kind of small ear tabs. Let's look at those ear tabs again. I've seen ear tabs that are almost double the size of these. So they're not substantial ear tabs at all, which I think contributes to how lightweight this cap really is. So with how it's fitting me, and all my measurements are in the description, so you can compare them to yours, I would say this is not running as true to average as Envy wigs usually do. And because of where these ear tabs fall on me and they're a little bit smaller, I could wear glasses with this really, really comfortably. So if you struggle with glasses with wigs, and your measurements are similar to mine, I think this one's worth trying just for the fit purpose, especially if you're comfortable wearing a wig grip with a wig. It's not huge on me. It's just such a stretchy, lightweight cap. It really feels like almost nothing on my head. It's really incredible. Overall, I'm really impressed with this piece. I think they did a fantastic job with it. So if you like more bob length wigs, you like layers, and you're looking for something really lightweight with no real volume or PERMATEASE, check out Marsha. I think she is a winner. I really do. Let's talk about color. Macchiato. I've never seen this color before, and I'm really thrilled to be able to show all my brunettes this beautiful medium brown. It is a rooted brown. You can see it's got a darker root than the rest, which I like. I think a little bit of a darker rooting looks really natural, especially if it looks like you've gotten it colored at a salon. And this is, it's highlighted, but it's fairly well blended. So the description is a blend of chestnut brown and soft dark blonde. And I will just tell you that I do not see blonde highlights in this one. It really just looks like a chestnut brown, slightly auburn, warm, definitely warm. I wouldn't call this red, but it has definitely got some auburn tones in it. I am not seeing any of the dark blonde. So if you're a brunette and you don't like blonde, you struggle with wigs that are heavily highlighted or even highlighted with blonde, this one is not that. The description may say it is, but it is not. They just blended that blonde in there so well. It just gives it just a softness. Really dynamic, really soft. There's that root. I'll get outside so you can see it outside as well. Just a wonderful medium brown, warm medium brown with a little bit of a darker root, not a long root, just really natural. All right, let's get outside. Let me know if you have questions. Please visit Name Brand Wigs either today or in the future, because they do send a lot of wigs to be reviewed, and if you're a wig wearer, you need these reviews. I need these reviews. We really need to know the things that are important to us. I hope I covered everything that was important to you in this video, but please don't ever hesitate to leave me feedback. Talk to you guys soon. All right. This wig is straight out of the box. I have not reviewed it yet. Pulled her out of the box. Tag is still on her. I thought it would be a good idea to take advantage of the weather and the time of day. such a beautiful brunette. My brunette wig sisters, rejoice! I was hoping the sun would go behind a cloud. There are a fair number of them out here. But it is what it is. There you go. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.